Hello students, welcome to Shore of Sales classes. You can reach us on www.shoreofsalesclasses.com or call or WhatsApp us in case of any queries or clarifications at 9836793076. You can also email us at shoreofsalesclasses@gmail.com. So today we'll be solving some IIT JAM Chemistry questions from this year, that is 2018. So let's move on. So we have question number 43 in hand. Among the following hydrocarbon or hydrocarbons, how many of them would give rise to three groups of proton NMR peaks with 2:2:3 integration ratio? So this we will call structure 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So moving with 1 first, we have this structure. So this is CC. Another C present here, and this part. So here there's a CH3, this is HH, here there's a H, another H, and here there's a hydrogen, and again there's a CH3 present here. So this will be So now we will name these carbon atoms. The hydrogen matters to these carbon atoms. So this will be A, this will be B, and this will be C. Again this will be B, this will be C, this will be A. Moving with structure number 2, this is structure number 1. We have this structure, so C, another carbon atom. So this is basically CH3 at last, hydrogen, and two more hydrogens. So again we will name the the hydrogens attached to these carbon atoms. So if we name this A, this will be B, this will be C, this will be B again, and this will be A again. And structure number 3 is a ring structure with these two CH3 atoms. So this is a carbon, this is a carbon, this is a carbon, and this is another carbon atom. This will be CH3, this will be CH3, this will be HH, this will also be hydrogen, and here we will have one hydrogen each. So again we will name this structure, and this will be, if we name this A, these are all A's. Then we will have B's here and C's will be present here. So now looking at these structures, we can say that molecules 1, 2 and 3, all three of them have three different types of protons. So this will effectively give rise to 3 NMR peaks. But among these molecules, only 1 and 2 will give a 2:2:3 integration. 1 and 2 will give 2:2:3 integration ratio. So 1 and this will be 3. So 1 and 3 will give us integration ratios 2:2:3, and so among the following hydrocarbons, how many of them we have been asked. So this will be 2 of them will give rise to 3 groups of proton NMR peaks with 2:2:3 integration ratio. So answer is 2. Thank you.